While incidents of rape and murder continue to be reported from Uttar Pradesh, this is what keeps cops in the state busy. These pictures are from Lat Bhairav area in Varanasi, where cops on duty can be seen dancing with girls on obscene songs and showering money on them. The incident took place on the 29th of September.
जनवासा में बारातियों का स्वागत होता है नाच के साथ। जो नगर की बधुएं हैं यहाँ पे डांस करती हैं। बाबा भी खुश रहते हैं, जो बाराती आए हुए हैं वो भी खुश रहते हैं। इसमें हिंदू नहीं, हिंदू मुसलमान सब रहते हैं। और ये जो है कि 2 दिवसीय प्रोग्राम है, इसमें प्रशासन का भी पूरा सहयोग रहता है। प्रशासन के भी लोग इसमें बढ़ चढ़ के हिस्सा लेते हैं।
Shocking behavior by UP cops on duty wearing uniform, making obscene gestures and throwing money on dancing girls. Let's get a word from Amir Haq, who's with us on the phone line. Amir, any response from the state administration? Amir, can you hear me? We'll try and reconnect with Amir Haq. These are pictures that we're getting you from Varanasi, where cops on duty can be seen making obscene gestures, throwing money on dance girls and dancing with them on obscene numbers. This incident reportedly took place on the 29th of September, where cops on duty were seen making obscene gestures. There you can see cops throwing money on girls that are dancing in front of them in public. Amir Haq is with us on the phone line. Amir, shocking dereliction of duty on the part of UP policemen on duty in uniform behaving in such a manner. Any response from the state government? Has any action been taken against these men?
Well, to me, actually, it may be a laughing stock for the people in general, but this is actually very, very sad and unfortunate for the police force as such, and quite demeaning for them. And that too, it was happening on a day when the highest official in their department, the DGP, was there in Varanasi itself. Well, as far as action against these erring policemen is concerned, we spoke to the senior superintendent of police, and it seems that the police department is still in the process of identifying that who actually these constables were who were posted around the time this event was taking place. So, no inkling of any action immediately, but we believe, the way this has been taken up by the media and the way this clip has gone viral all over the social media, the police will finally be pushed into taking some action against these erring policemen. But complete lack of training and discipline on part of these police constables to be dancing like that in a function there in full uniform.
Absolutely. And Amir, what exactly was this event?
Well, this was a local event there in Varanasi, where traditionally a form of takes place, where this entire event is celebrated by the entire locality over there. So they were supposed to be there to secure the entire area, to see through it that there is proper security, that no untoward incident takes place. And clearly, it was their duty to be standing on guard and not, involving themselves in the festivities that were going around.
Right, and Amir, also a question mark on the kind of festivities, quote unquote, we are seeing on our screen.
Well, this is a part of, a larger culture that finds its place in Varanasi, where this kind of event takes place. It may be objectionable with the kind of dances that are taking place with Bagals over there. But at the moment, we can only comment on, the police in uniform getting themselves involved into the entire festivities the way they have actually done, and completely unforgivable as far as government rules go.
Absolutely. And, Aamir, it's actually quite shocking. These policemen are leading the crowds to almost misbehave with these women. A lot of these places, you can see those cops dancing with these girls, also stuffing money in their clothes.
Well, yes, absolutely. And we've seen that so many times over and over again here in Uttar Pradesh, because there seems to be a complete lack of understanding of the rules they are working under. Also, there is a complete lack of training that initially needs to be given to such policemen on how to conduct themselves in public places, at public platforms. Also, there should be seniors around to see to it that their juniors, if this is what the constables are doing, some sub-inspector ranked policemen should be there to see to it that these constables and his team actually go there for the work that they are actually entrusted to. So clearly, lack of training, complete indiscipline that these policemen are showing, and what they are actually doing that we are watching in these pictures is something that's very shameful and very difficult for senior police officers to explain.
Absolutely shocking and shameful story being reported from Uttar Pradesh, where cops are seen shamelessly dancing with girls, throwing money on them, making obscene gestures and dancing on obscene songs. One wonders then who's actually looking after the law and order situation in the state. The opposition has been crying, demanding answers from the UP government.